I'm so sick of you. Nike, look at me. What the fuck is your problem?
Not me.
Get your tongue off my door.
Oh my god. No! Gladys!
Miles, what are you doing?
Steven!
Don't make me look bad. Can I get Paul, please?
Hank, what are you doing? Hank.
I don't give a goddamn how famous I am or whatever. It don't matter to me because I'm about dead anyway.